Hello and welcome to this quick demo of how to install and deinstall applications from Fedora 15. So let's go ahead. First thing we need to do is to go up to the activities area and to click on it. Once it's open, all we need to do is click across on the applications area. Okay, so that'll open up all our applications that are installed on the system. As you can see, the second one along is normally this one called Add Remove Software. Just click on that. And the Add Remove Software window is immediately displayed. So you'll notice, first of all, down the left hand side you have this scrollable list of categories, little like Ubuntu and Mint. You can click on any of these to get a particular category of application. So there's graphics applications, games, education, desktop, admin tools, etc., etc. So you can either drill in by clicking on a category and then scrolling through the lists. Obviously these lists are pretty long normally for Fedora. There's quite a lot of packages available. Or alternatively, if you know the name of the package, you can just type it in this search window at the top, and I'll do my best to type it in. So I'm going to look for packages containing the characters TUX, and then I'm going to click on the Find button here. So it'll go away and query its database looking for that string, and what it's found is a fairly long list of applications here that match that criteria. Okay, so let's go ahead and install this 3D racing game featuring Tux. So what I need to do is just select it in this little checkbox here, and then you'll see here a little bit of information is displayed underneath here, telling you what it is. It's an open source downhill racing game starring Tux. If you want more information, often you'll find that the project homepage is linked over on this side. So if you click round about there, it will open up a browser window to the page, and you can read through some more information and decide if this is really the application that you want to install. Let's say it is. So we're all happy with that. So we want to go ahead and install it. So all we do is to click this button down here called Apply. So let's do that now. And you can see it resolves dependencies, and immediately quite a nice feature here of the installer is that it tells you all the dependencies for this package that this package requires in order to run. So if you don't really want to see the dependencies, you just want them to be installed in the background without being alerted, you can tick this box here so you don't actually get the alert. But I always find it quite useful to see what's being installed on my system. So I'm quite happy to install those extra files there, so I'm going to click on Continue. And like most Linux variants, Fedora will ask you for the admin password. Luckily I'm on fairly good terms with the admin, so I know his password, so let's go ahead and type it. Okay, when we're happy here we can click on the authentication button, and that's what happens when you get the password wrong. And you can see there that the authentication failed. So let's go ahead and try that again and try and get the password right. Again we click OK. Happy about that. So let's try and remember what the password is. And click on Authenticate. Okay, now we can see the status here going on. It's downloading the packages and installing the system. Okay, so it's installed it now. So I can either choose just to close the installer, or I can choose just to run the package that I've just installed. So let's go ahead and run it and check that it worked okay. Here we go. Press any key to start. Let's try practice and race, and there we go. Okay, so rather interesting downhill ski game. I guess you've got to control it with the arrow keys. So there you go, it's all installed now, and with my Tux character going out of control, let's just quit that one before I make a complete fool of myself. We are back to the installer. So, okay, now, so we've had a look at the game and we decided that's not really what we wanted. How do we deinstall it? Okay, so it's pretty much the reverse of the install process here. All we need to do is uncheck these checkboxes down here, click apply again. Again, our friendly admin is going to be required to enter his password. Click on authenticate, and here we see the progress happening, the deinstall, and voila, it's all gone now. So you can see there are no check marks against these packages. So that is all there is to it. Simple install and deinstall in Fedora 15. Thanks a lot for listening. Bye bye.